Okay, this time we need to solve the model. So we have formulated it, so we pretty well know how to do it. Let's start from the end, and let's say we are at stage, we're at third stage, so we have to do an F3. Now we don't know how many we're left. What we're going to do is we're going to make this a symbol for now. Okay, that's as many I'm going to have at the end. And let's see what happens. If I have S3 left, I will sell them all at that stage, and I will have 70. That's how much I'm going to get, S3. So that's the calculation for this for the third stage. Now let's go to the next one, which is F2. Let's do the same thing for S2. Now here I don't know how many I'm going to sell and how many I'm going to left for the end. So I have to maximize, and it will be some x2 that cannot be greater than s2 and 0. And if I sell x2, I'm going to get 130 x2. And then I can use the expression here, this expression, to substitute right here. So it'll be 70. How much will S3 be? Well, I already determined that before, that it doubles for whatever you did not, whatever you have. So you will have S2 minus x2. That's as many as you will have for the next stage, and the profit at that stage is 70 times that. So now we can look at this expression. I'm not going to keep the range, just looking at this. And what we have here is we have 140 S2, whatever S2 happens to be, plus 130 minus 140 minus 10 x2. So that means that if x2, we want to keep x2 at 0. So what this implies, that this will be equal to 140 S2. And just like here, by the way, x3 optimal is equal to S3. You sell whatever you have. So the same thing here, x2 optimal, if you have S2, will be 0. Don't sell any, because whatever you sell will reduce your profit. Okay, so we've done it now for that. Now let's go to F1, and we know we have K, which is 2. We have 2 sheep. Well, the same thing. We want to maximize x1 anywhere between 2. It'll be this 0, 1, or 2. Well, if you sell x1 in the first stage, you'll make 100 for each of those x1s. And then you will make this expression here for the next stage. So it'll be 140. Well, the question is what is S2? Well, S2 will again be twice 2 minus however you sold in the first stage. So that's what you have left over for S2. Well, again, if we look at this this expression, we'll see that we have 100x1 minus 280x1, and so we'll have a negative in front of the x1. So we will just want to make this amount, which is 560. It's a 280 times 2, which is 560. And the optimum, again, is for x1 star 2 to be 0. Don't sell any. So what this is telling me is don't sell any in the first year. Don't sell any in the second year. Wait until the third year. Your 2 sheep will have become 4 sheep in in the second year will become 8 sheep in the third year, and 8 times 70 is 560, and that's the best that you can do. Now, for different numbers, different combinations, there might be different solutions, but that's the solution of the problem.